Hello everyone and welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Today we're diving into a battle of AI writing tools. GetGenie AI versus Wordtune in 2025. One is built for SEO content creation while the other is all about making your writing sharper and more natural. Let's break it down. When we look at their main focus, GetGenie AI focuses on SEO-driven blogs, content, and WordPress integration, while Wordtune focuses on AI writing assistance for rewriting and clarity. When you look at their AI capabilities, GetGenie AI is capable of blog posts, outlines, and product descriptions, while Wordtune focuses on sentence rewrites, tune adjustments, and summaries. Let's look at who they're best for. GetGenie AI is best for bloggers, marketers, WordPress users, while Wordtune is best for students, professionals, and business writers. Now let's look at the ease of use. GetGenie AI has plugin plus web app and is SEO focused, while Wordtune has browser extension and web app and is very intuitive. Lastly, let's look at the pricing. When it comes to the pricing, GetGenie AI is budget-friendly for small businesses, while Wordtune has a freemium plan with premium upgrade. Now let's look at the breakdown. GetGenie AI is perfect for bloggers and marketers. It helps you write SEO-rich blogs, outlines, and product descriptions, and it integrates directly with WordPress for easy publishing. Wordtune, on the other hand, is like your personal editor. It rewrites sentences, adjusts tones, and helps make your writing clear and professional, which is great for students, emails, or business reports. So the takeaway is GetGenie AI equals best for SEO writers and content creators, while Wordtune equals best for publishing and rewriting everyday writing. So if you are chasing rankings, GetGenie is your tool. If you want to sound smarter and clearer, Wordtune has your back. So which one would you use? Drop your pick in the comments and do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick AI and finance tool battles. Only here on Twoguysfinance. Catch you in the next one.